When adding mixed number fractions, there's two things that I want you to do to make it a little bit easier to find your sum. So first and foremost, I'm going to box my fractions here. This is the first section I'm going to look at. Now, I know that we are adding because I have my addition sign in the corner. So that's going to be something I need to keep in mind when I'm looking at my fractions. First and foremost, I look at my denominators. They're the same, 7 and 7, so that means I know I can add these two together. In doing so, as we've talked about many times before, when they're the same, you actually keep that denominator the same. So it's 7, which is the same 7 as I see here, and the same 7 that I see here becomes this 7 down here. Now next, all we have to do is, since we know we are adding, we're looking at the numerators. Easy enough, 2 plus 1 gives us 3. And that completes the first part of our adding equation here. Now the next thing I have to do is create a box around my whole numbers. So I'm going to create a box right here so that I know that that is the only thing I'm focused on right now, is this box. Looking at that box now, I know that 3 plus 2 equals 5. And by doing so, I have now found my sum for adding 3 and 2/7 plus 2 and 1/7. That gives me a total of 5 and 3/7. And I did all of this by creating my two boxes. And as I created my two boxes, I paid attention to what kind of equation it is. And I just went step by step, keeping my same denominator, adding my numerators, and then adding my whole numbers.